Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how to install the Docker engine on the Windows machine. For same that you need to open this website docs.dockers.com and then just click on this. If you're on Windows, then click on this Docker desktop for Windows. Just click here, okay, and see this link. Just click on this link and the download it will be start. So I already downloaded, so you will get something like this, Docker desktop installer. But prior to install it, there are few system requirements that you need to check. So first we need to check the WSL version. So I'll show you how we can check each and every step. And after that, if you are on the Windows 11, then it should be 21H2 or the higher version. If you are on the Windows 10, then it should be 22H2 version. Okay, then we need to turn on the WSL2 features on the Windows, and these are the basic requirements. So minimum RAM should be 4 GB, okay, and the 64-bit processor should be there. Then it will work fine. Okay, just click on here. You will get something like this. Okay, it will take some time, so I already installed it. Okay, so now moving ahead. So these are the basic requirements that you need to do prior to install the Docker on the Windows machine. So first you need to check the WSL. Okay, for checking the WSL, just print on the CMD, okay, and just write it WSL. If you are getting something like this, that's mean WSL is working fine. If it is not there, then what you need to do, you need to just type it WSL -- install. Okay, just press enter and the installation will be start. But on the Windows 10, it already available. So if it is not there, then you just write this. Okay, and then you need to check the version of the Windows. So here, what you need to do, we need to type this winver. Okay, so you will get Windows something like this, and just check here if it meet the requirements or not. Here I am using the Windows 10 and my version for this one is 22H2, and this recommended it window for 22 and H or the higher one. So the requirement is satisfied. Okay, if it is not, then you need to fulfill this requirement as well. Okay, and the next step is you need to WSL feature on the Windows. So for doing the same step, what you need to be do, just click on the Windows button and just write enable, okay, enable Windows. So you will get something like this, the turn Windows feature on or off. Just click over here, scroll down. Okay, here is the option, okay, Windows subsystem for the Linux. Just click here, okay, and this one will be started. So it will take some time, okay, and apply changing will take, okay, so it will ask you to restart it, but we will do it later on. Okay, so I am saying do not restart. And the next one is check the visualization enable. So it is most important. If the visualization is enabled, then your Docker will work, otherwise it will not work. So how you can check this visualization is enabled or not? Just press Ctrl Alt Delete. You will get the task manager. Okay, on the task manager you can click on the performance on the CPU, then you can see the visualization, virtualization is enabled. If it is enabled, then proceed further. Otherwise, what you need to do, you need to go into the BIOS settings and then enable at there. Okay, so it's a very simple process. Just recommend the basic video how to enable the virtualization on the BIOS. Okay, so these prerequisites are done. So the next step is you need to click on the installation of Docker. So the Docker where we install it, just click here. The installation will start. Okay, just click on the yes, and then the installation process is started. Okay, so now you can see the verifying packages. Okay, so it will take very few time. Use WS instead of Hyper-V, recommended, add shortcut on the desktop. Okay, just click on the OK. It is unpacking the files, will take some time. Okay, it will ask you close and restart. Okay, so just click here, the close and the restart, your system will be restarted. Okay, so